Whooping cough is on the rise in South Dakota, and this midday, we're getting an idea of one place where it's hitting. South Dakota is seeing a lot more cases of whooping cough. One place it's shown up is at Lincoln High School in Sioux Falls. Yesterday, the district sent a note to parents letting them know their child may have been exposed to the illness in the past few weeks. A November report says the state has confirmed 120 cases. That's a 700% increase compared to the last 5 years.